Hello, welcome back to session everyone. I heartily welcome you to Math Simplified by HM. Today we are proving a classic that a perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. This is a must know for your exams. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your well wishers. Grab your notebooks, feel free to pause as we go, and let us dive into the proof. The anatomy of a geometric proof, a visual breakdown of the perpendicular chord theorem. Read the theorem carefully. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord, establishing the known variables given circle with center C, chord DE, line segment CF perpendicular to chord DE. The objective to prove segment DF is congruent to segment FE. In other words, the perpendicular line bisects the chord. Altering the perspective construction, draw segment CD and segment CE. Result is that this creates two distinct triangles inside the circle, triangle CFD, triangle CFE. The criteria for congruence: right angle, hypotenuse, and side. We know this theorem. If all three match, right triangle congruence is proven. Now first, right angle, angle CFD is congruent to angle CFE, each 90 degree. Reason is that CF is perpendicular to chord DE, given fact. Now second, hypotenuse. Segment CD and segment CE are congruent to each other. Reason is that radii of the same circle. Now side, segment CF is congruent to segment CF. Reason, common shared side by two triangles. Thus the triangle congruence, triangle CFD is congruent to triangle CFE by RHS hypotenuse side theorem. The verdict, therefore, segment DF is congruent to segment FE. Reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Thus, we have accomplished the mission by using the hypotenuse side theorem on our constructed triangles. We have proven that sec CF is congruent to sec FE. This elegant proof shows the power of logic in geometry. As we wrap up, keep this thought in mind: just as sec CF perpendicular sec DE bisects the chord, a focused mind bisects a difficult problem into two easy parts. That means a focused mind bisects a difficult problem just as sec CF bisects chord sec DE. Always look for those construction lines in life to simplify your path. Don't forget to like, share this video with everyone you know, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon. Thanks for joining me on Math Simplified by HM. Enjoy great time ahead. Thanks all.